Welcome to Vandall. If you want to get started quickly, just go to app.vandall.com or search for Vandall in your app store. Here we're going to be using the web version. So soon we'll have email login, but here I select Google and authenticate with an account. And the first time you come into Vandall, you'll have a little onboarding where you can define your information. The best way to start using Vandall is to create a project. You don't have to add files here, and you don't have to add people. You can always skip and do it later. So here you can see the top of Vandall. So from the top, we can navigate back. We can go to project settings. We can look at our release package and filter our timeline. And at the bottom, we have a place to send messages and add files. To start, let's add some members. There are two ways to adding people. You can either invite them using email, which gives you more granular control over their access level, or you can use a link and invite everybody in one go. Another thing that's super straightforward in Vandall is adding files. So as you can see, I can drag in files straight from Ableton, and if I select multiple files and drag them in, I'm able to zip them automatically and easily rename them after file upload. Now we can go into the metadata and define some information, which then helps complete this project. So when I go into the release package, I can publish a draft, copy a link, and now send it to anyone who needs it to have it sent for distribution. With Vandall, it's that easy.